Oh man, times have changed. Do you still remember the time when this keyboard, the RK84, captured the world's attention with its affordable price point and feature-packed design? This keyboard was crowned as the most budget-friendly option and received tons of positive reviews on YouTube. People were able to purchase this keyboard for just over $60, and as evident from the more than 1,000 units sold by a single seller on AliExpress, its popularity is undeniable. But what if I told you that this keyboard you're looking at right now is not only more affordable, but also has a more appealing design and possibly even better sound quality than the RK84? To confirm that I'm not imagining things, I actually ordered this keyboard a week ago and it has finally arrived. First, let's open the box and see what's inside. Beneath the keyboard, there is a manual. Unfortunately, it is mostly in Mandarin. However, that shouldn't be a deal breaker, as you can simply take a picture of the manual and translate it with Google Translate. There are also 2 extra keycaps for the insert key and the end key. Additionally, there is a switch and keycap puller, which is quite convenient. Finally, a USB-C cable is included for the wired connection. Now, let's take a look at the keyboard itself. Look at how beautiful this keyboard is. The duotone color design reminds me of the more expensive Varmilo Minilo series. And look at this, it even comes with cherry profile PPT keycaps that look gorgeous. I have no complaints about the printing on these keycaps. They are amazing considering the price. Before I forget, this keyboard also includes an aluminium volume knob, which is a nice addition that the RK84 does not have. And I should mention that this keyboard is wireless as well. It supports 3 modes of connection: Bluetooth, wireless 2.4 GHz, and USB-C wired. The USB dongle is also magnetic, which is a nice feature. It's ridiculous how much they're giving you for just $60. Before we proceed with the stock sound test, I would like to mention that the switches I chose are silent. Additionally, you have the option to choose from a list of switches, including tactile and linear options. So here are my final thoughts. As you can tell, the stock configuration does a great job of dampening the sounds. I was surprised to find that they even included a layer of PE foam to enhance the creamy sound of the keyboard. However, no keyboard is without flaws. To summarize, here are a few issues I encountered with this keyboard and how I attempted to solve them. Firstly, while the stabilizers are factory lubed, they are not well lubed. The stock spacebar, as you may have heard, was rattly and ticking. If you decide to get this keyboard, I highly recommend lubing the stabilizers, at least the wire, if you're feeling lazy like me. Additionally, I suggest doing the bandaid mod on this keyboard to further improve the spacebar. Secondly, this keyboard is north-facing, which may cause interference with certain keycaps. While this may not be a big deal for some people, it could be a deal breaker for those who frequently swap out different keycaps. Lastly, I noticed that the knob on this keyboard is very hard to pull out. I suspect it may not be meant to be removed, which is why I didn't risk breaking the keyboard by attempting to take it apart. If anyone has successfully removed the knob, please let me know in the comments. Overall, I would say this keyboard is perfect for those who don't intend to modify the keyboard and simply want a great stock keyboard. Finally, I want to give a big shout out to my friend Benjamin, who gave me the opportunity to review this keyboard. He was the one who asked me to build him a silent keyboard that he could take to the office. However, if anyone is curious about how this keyboard would sound with linear or tactile switches, please let me know in the comments. I may borrow the keyboard from him just to make it happen. With that, we've reached the end of this video. For those interested, I will leave a link in the description where you can purchase this keyboard. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.